What's going on, everybody? I'm in my new garage, the new garage for the R3, and I just wanted to share some stuff with you guys. I just got it inspected, got it moved in. I haven't done a video since December. It's been a while. With everything going on, my divorce and everything, it finally went through. I couldn't get a garage in the time frame. I was still living in my house, and there was a homeless man who broke in and was living there for 2 weeks while I was out of town. When I got back, I decided to get out of the house to an apartment for a little bit till I get myself back on my feet, because I basically had to start over. By the time I found a good place, it was around March, and then the lockdown happened. I couldn't get the bike inspected or registered on time, but I finally did it. It's registered and it's ready to go. This garage is right across the parking lot from me, and I did order some goodies for it. I'm just waiting. One of the goodies that I was supposed to get was frame sliders. I waited all day. Then I get a notification saying that it was delivered. So I opened my door, looked outside, there was nothing. I went to my mailbox to look, there was nothing. I went to the leasing office and it was closed. So I'll have to check tomorrow and see what's the deal on that. I'll probably have to call Amazon and tell them I never got my package. Hopefully I'll get my frame sliders in. I also ordered a Karpovich exhaust, but from eBay, because through Amazon it would have taken until September, August. I didn't want to wait that long, and through eBay I would get it next week. Then I ordered a zero gravity double bubble for the screen. So that's coming in around the same time as my exhaust. So I'll be making some videos. I'm pretty excited. New stuff going on. I know I'm 2 years behind. I didn't have the money nor the time. I was going through a lot, so I couldn't do much that I wanted to do. There was a lot more other things that I wanted to order for it. I wasn't gonna get it till August, September. I decided to hold off on that and just get the exhaust, the frame sliders, zero gravity double bubble. Those are my plans. I plan on making more videos very soon. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.